Yeah, Ricky Rogers, Director for the African American Community Unity. We want to talk more about the opioid crisis that our communities are experiencing at this time. And so as a solution to that, the Narcan, well, as a solution to the problem of the overdose, we have this tool called Narcan. And this can be administered by someone who has experienced an overdose crisis. And so if you see someone that has the overdose, this here is actually the protocol. And so these are the signs of an overdose, opioid overdose. You have slow or absent breathing, cannot be woken up, you're shaking them. But before you do anything, you have to ask for their permission first and say if it's okay, are you okay? You shake them if they're unresponsive, and then you go through this protocol. If they have slow or absent breathing, cannot be woken up. There's some dizziness, they experience some dizziness, wobbling while they're walking, discoloration of the lips or nails, they're kind of pale, cold or clammy skin, they're choking, coughing, or gurgling sounds, pupils are small. And so those are signs that someone is having an overdose, opioid overdose or opioid crisis. And so once you recognize an overdose, you want to attempt to recognize, of course, by shaking them or calling their name. If they don't respond, you should always call 911. And then once you call 911, then you want to go through the Narcan, correction to help them overcome the crisis. And then of course you can always start rescue breathing if you feel comfortable putting, if you don't have no kind of two-way mechanism, but that can also help recover them from the crisis. But then when you administering the Narcan, you have to turn the person to the side because more than likely you turn them from the side over to the back. And then you just open it up. And so you don't have to check it and push it, administer it, to give see if it's working, because it's automatically going to work. Because if you do that, it's not going to be enough medicine to recover them. So don't do the test. So you want to just, once you open it up, this little tube here that's sticking out, you just want to put the top part in their nose while they're on the back, and then just give them a whole, push it in all the way in to administer the whole dose. And then that person should recover within 2 to 3 minutes. And if they do not recover within 2 to 3 minutes, you can actually administer another dose in the other nostril. So you want to put it one in one nostril, and then if a second dose is required, then you put that in the second nostril. And that's pretty much what needs to be done. But it's safe, so there is no overdose that you can administer by giving them 2 doses. So it's pretty safe. They may have some withdrawals, but it's common for them to have those. So and then of course you are protected, so you won't get any fines or sued because of a person if you administer it to a person. So,
all right.
Thank you.